Hey, Skepperter here. So what we've got today is another Casio lineage. Yeah, I'm a little obsessed with them. I'm going to take off the titanium band, put on a... What are these called? Come on, everybody. Poly... Neoprene? No, poly... You guys know what they are. Name it. Okay. So, what we're going to do is we are going to remove the original Casio band. Let's see if I can get the focus locked so that it doesn't go out of focus. Get yourself a band tool, one with a little forked end and with the pin end. We're not going to use the pin end, we're only going to use the fork end today. Focus, look at that. And then on this one, you can see that down in the crevices, it does have a little forked recess, so you can get the fork in there and lift it up and pull it out. And same thing on the other side, a little fork and lift it out. Come on, there it is. And once it's out, we can pull it away to the side. Because this band has like a little kind of a insert, sometimes it's a pain in the butt, so you can do two ends. Next step is going to be clean. Let's focus it. Let's clean the end of that. Let's through the power of pausing the video, I'm going to clean that. And we're back. So after cleaning up the end, you can see there's a little bit of a scuff that's developed from the band over time. On the other side, it's also been scuffed on the shiny titanium there. If anyone's got a recommendation on the best way to clean that up, great. I thought I got it better in all of those corners. You know, maybe I'll just take a few seconds right now and use some rubbing alcohol and a Q-tip. See if I can get a little deeper into those crannies and nooks. Isopropyl alcohol is good for everything, unless someone says otherwise. Okay, get that in there. Yeah, that works. And on this side, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a little bit of that Q-tip and stretch it into a pointy surface. Oh, you can see there's a bit of a scuff up there. But hey, this watch has been enjoyed, and I plan on enjoying it more. So, we've got top part of our band. I love these straps with the toolless pins. So great. And Bob's your uncle. Thank you everybody for watching yet another one of my obsessed with the 5161 movements. Thanks for watching.